Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 21. Birds. Reptiles by another name. Let's start. All of the following are characteristics of members of the class Aves except one. Select the exception. Ectothermy. Vertebral column modified for flight. Ones lightened by numerous air spaces. Feathers. Correct answer ectothermy. Fossils of this ancient bird indicate that slow, hovering, and highly maneuverable flight evolved at least 115 million years ago. Archaeopteryx. Sonorous. Eoalulavis. Derna. Correct answer Eoalulavis. 150-million-year-old fossils of this ancient bird have been found in Germany. They show a clavicle for the attachment of wing muscles, but other sites for flight muscle attachment were less developed. These observations indicate that this bird was capable of gliding, but not long-distance flight. Archaeopteryx. Sonorous. Eoalulavis. Derna. Correct answer Archaeopteryx. In recent years, several spectacular discoveries of fossils in Dash have reinforced the notion that birds of a theropod ancestry. Russia. Argentina. China. South Africa. Correct answer China. Birds descended from ancient Lepidosaurs. Testudines. Synapsids. Archosaurs. Correct answer Archosaurs. Birds are now considered by nearly all zoologists to simply be avian. Reptiles. Synapsids. Rodents. Anapsids. Correct answer reptiles. Feathers develop from the dash of the skin. Epidermis. Dermis. Hypodermis. Basement membrane. Correct answer epidermis. Feathers of a bird that cover the body, wings, and tail are called dash feathers. Plumulaceous. Down. Pinnaceous. Dermal. Correct answer pinnaceous. Feathers of a bird that have insulating functions are called dash feathers. Down. Pinnaceous. Contour. Ermal. Correct answer down. Hamuli branch from the dash of a contour feather and keep these feathers firm and smooth. Quill. Shaft. Barbs. Barbules. Correct answer barbules. The fusion of posterior thoracic, lumbar, and sacral vertebrae into a dash helps a bird maintain proper flight posture. Pygostyle. Unsynate process. Synsacrum. Furcula. Correct answer synsacrum. The fusion of posterior caudal vertebrae into a dash supports tail feathers that are important in steering during flight. Pygostyle. Unsynate process. Synsacrum. Furcula. Correct answer pygostyle. The alula is a group of small feathers on the wing that helps decrease the angle of attack of the wing. Is elevated during fast flapping flight. Is elevated to reduce turbulence along the upper surface of the wing during hovering, takeoff, and landing. Generates the propulsive force of flight. Correct answer is elevated to reduce turbulence along the upper surface of the wing during hovering, takeoff, and landing. The portion of the digestive tract of a pigeon that produces pigeon's milk, used in feeding young, is the esophagus. Gizzard. Crop. Proventriculus. Correct answer crop. A portion of the digestive tract of a bird that is a modification of the stomach and secretes gastric juices that initiate digestion is the crop. Gizzard. Proventriculus. Pylorus. Correct answer proventriculus. All of the following statements regarding lung ventilation and gas exchange are true except one. Select the exception. Gas exchange occurs in blind-ending sacs called alveoli. Abdominal and thoracic air sacs are compressed by body muscles to move air through the respiratory system. 2 respiratory cycles are required to move a volume of air through the respiratory system. Birds have a greater rate of oxygen consumption than any other vertebrate. Correct answer gas exchange occurs in blind-ending sacs called alveoli. In some birds, for example spotted sandpipers, males establish nest sites. A female will mate with more than one male and lay a clutch of eggs in each male's nest. The males then care for the eggs. This reproductive process is called monogamy, polygyny, polyandry, ovoviviparity. Correct answer polyandry. A reproductive process called dash is common among birds when resources are widely and evenly distributed. One parent often incubates and protects the eggs or chicks while the other parent searches for food. Monogamy, polygyny, polyandry, ovoviviparity. Correct answer monogamy.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.